Okay, let's talk. How much do you actually enjoy blow drying your hair? Because I have been doing hair for over 20 years, and I can tell you that the number one complaint I hear in my chair is that people either don't have time to style their hair or they're just completely over the heat damage that can come with it. So today I want to talk about Cool Wind by R+Co. It's a pH perfect air dry crème. And this one is genuinely exciting to me and one of my absolute favorites because it solves a very real problem in a really smart way. Most people with frizzy hair think the only solution is a blow dryer and a round brush, and yeah, that works. But it's also time consuming, it can be damaging over time if it's not done properly, and honestly not everyone has that skill set at home. So guess what happens? People air dry their hair, and their hair does whatever it wants. It gets all frizzy, or some other less than ideal outcome. But then you're already at work or running around being a responsible adult with the hair of a child who's been rolling around on the floor. That's not how you want to show up in the world. So this is why I'm telling you about this fantastic solution. Cool Wind is specifically formulated to work with your hair while it air dries, instead of fighting against it. The pH perfect formula is the key here. When your hair's pH is balanced, it lays much better, the cuticle closes, and frizz literally has nowhere to go. I want to break down what's actually in this, because the ingredient story is really good. You have apricot and watermelon extracts for hydration. These are softening the strands from the inside while it dries. Then there's soybean oil, which nourishes and adds suppleness so your hair moves naturally instead of feeling stiff or crunchy. Then you have mango butter, which I love, because it detangles and gives you that softness and manageability that makes air drying your hair actually work. And then the star ingredient is a cold sealing polymer, which is literally designed to seal the cuticle and prevent frizz without any heat activation whatsoever. That polymer is the one that's doing the heavy lifting. Alright, this is how you use it. After you wash and towel dry your hair, you work a small amount through your mid-lengths and ends. Not the roots, mid-lengths and ends. Then you just let your hair dry naturally. That's it. I'm serious. No diffuser, no blow dryer, and no round brush. Your hair dries controlled, soft, and frizz-free. Cool Wind is honestly for anyone who air dries or wants to air dry. Curly hair, wavy hair, or straight hair that still frizzes in humidity, all of it. If you live somewhere with weather that has opinions, like humidity and wind, or if you live in Colorado with our mile-high altitude and dry air, this belongs in your routine. It's also incredible for low manipulation styling days. If you're someone who's trying to reduce heat damage and give your hair a break, Cool Wind lets you do that without sacrificing how your hair looks. And I'm not the only one who loves it. My client Sarah says, "I finally found my holy grail. 5 stars for Cool Wind. It's the only thing that keeps my frizz under control without feeling heavy." So go ahead and tap the link below. This is one of those products where once you start using it, you genuinely wonder why you were doing anything different to your hair before you discovered Cool Wind.